So today I'm going to show you how to add your Chime debit card onto your Apple Wallet without even having your card physically on hand. So we're actually here in the Chime app, so you can follow along in real time, step by step. We're going to start off on the home page. This is what it should bring you when you open up the app. And we're going to want to look to the top left with the gear icon. We're going to tap over here. And then this is going to be our settings page here. And we're going to scroll down just a little bit here to the cards section. You can either click on cards or the right arrow to it. And then that's going to take you first and foremost to your virtual debit card, which is exactly what we want. And there's this new option here that says add to Apple Wallet. We're going to go ahead and tap over here. Now, what this is going to actually do is pre-fill this information out for you. You actually can't see it on my end, but it'll have your name and your card number over here. And we're going to go ahead and click on next on the top right. And then it's going to pop up the terms and conditions. You can scroll through that and read it. And then we're going to click on the agree on the bottom right. And you can see right over here, it says card has been added. We can actually set this as our default or click on not now. And that way our card is now added to the Apple Wallet. But if you want to learn how to make this your default or change your default on your Apple Wallet, check out our video right over here on screen to learn how to do just that.